Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. So the scope of this video is to understand the assignment operator in Python, and this is the third video of Python playlist in APIPOTHI. The first assignment operator that we are going to understand is AND. Okay, so AND is denoted in this way. The example is C equal to A plus B, where we are adding the value of A and B, and the result we are assigning to the C. So the technically description is in Python. Assigned value of right side expression or operand, means right side means A plus B expression to the left side operand, which is called C. So in between the relation is happening because of equal to. We are just focusing here on equal to only, right? So here now coming to the our IDE called PC charm. Here I am just trying to do the example same, like if we have A equal to 10, okay, and then C equal to A just for one variable, okay, and print C. Technically what we do here is we are assigning the value of A into the C. It should give the as a 10, which is correct. Now in the same manner, copy this one, paste it here. C equal to A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B, okay. Just comment this code, okay, and now I'm printing C. It should also give the value as a 30 now. It is giving 30. So this is the equals operator which we use for assignment purpose. Okay. Now coming to the another operator called add and. Okay, this one is the second one. Add and. Okay. So here technically as per this PPT, what we are going to understand is we have the C equal to C plus A. Okay, C equal to C plus A is equivalent to C plus equal to A, and the operator is plus equal to. Okay, so basically what we do is we are adding the two value and the result we are assigning into the C. With the short form, with this help, with the help of this operator, we are doing is C plus equal to A. If both the expression is giving the same value, then we can say that both the expression are equivalent, which is called add and. Okay, now let's check it here. Prior to that, let's comment this code. So here we have the C equal to, okay, let's have A equal to 10. Okay, okay, so what we have to do is C equal to C plus A is equivalent to C plus equal to A. So A equal to 10, C equal to 0, C equal to C plus A, right? And then printing the C. Okay, now save this one. It is should give the value as a 10, which is perfectly fine. Now just capture the output here and comment this one. Okay, copy this one and paste it here. Now the same expression I am going to translate it something like that. Okay, and just removing this one. It should also give the value as a 10 only. It is giving 10. Both the expression line number 23 as well as line number 22 are giving the same value, which is 10. We can say that both the expression are equivalent for the add and AND operator, right? Similar way we are going to do for the subtract AND. Okay, so which is, think what in this way, C equal to C minus A is equal to C minus equal to A, right? Comment this code. C equal to this one, A equal to 0, just put A, C equal to little bigger value 20, A equal to 4. Okay, so here it should give this one, uncomment, remove this prior value and comment this one. Okay, so C equal to C minus A, 20 minus 4 equal to 16. Run this one, it is giving the minus 16. See, perfectly fine, because we are dividing C minus A, not A minus C. Okay, okay, let it be. Now what we can do, minus 16, right? Here uncomment this one and comment this one. This should also give minus 16. It is not giving minus 16, okay, because here it should be a minus. Run this one, it is giving minus 16. So this value is also giving minus 16 and this value is also giving minus 16. Hence we can say that both the expression are equivalent, right? So that was our second slide, which was subtract AND, right? Now coming to the another slide called multiply AND. Okay, so to understand the multiply AND, this is the multiply AND. So equal C equal to C into A is equivalent to C into equal to A. So here I have the A value 20, C value is 4. Okay, commenting this one, uncomment this one, C equal to C into A, remove this value, it should give 80. It is giving the 80, which is perfectly fine. Now what we have to do, we have to just capture this value, comment this code, uncomment and give the into. It should also give the output as a 80 only. It is giving output as a 80. Hence we can say both the expression are equivalent. After multiplication, coming to the another experience called another operator, assignment operator called divide. So this is your fifth one. Comment this code and C divide by is equal to this one. So what we are doing is we are dividing C to A. So here we have to put the 20. We will put here 4 just for perfect division. Okay. So as per the first statement, we are going to do C equal to C divided by A and commenting this one. Now running. So it should give the 5. It is giving the 5. So the output here is 5.0. Now commenting this expression and opening this one and giving the division. This should also give the 5.0 only. It is giving 5.0. Hence we can say that both the expression are equivalent for the divide assignment operator. Now paste, comment this one. Now which one? Let us see. After division, we have the division is this one. We have the modules. Modules is ampersand. So here it go modules. So here we can say ampersand, ampersand. Okay. So what we can do, C ampersand A. This will give the 0 only, but I want to give some value. Okay. So I want the reminder, right? Not interested on quotient here. It is giving 2 as a reminder. Fine. So I just capture the output, comment this one, uncomment this one, and just give the ampersand. Okay. Now run. It is giving the 2. Hence we can say both the expression are correct and equivalent for the modules operator, modules AND. Okay. Now next one is that floor division AND, which is defined as a C double slash equal to or floor division equal to A is equivalent to C equal to C floor division A. Now what we can do is we can copy this one, paste it here, comment this one. This is going to be a 6 floor division, and now copy and paste it here. Okay, so what will happen? C double slash is equivalent to this one. So we have the A, we have the C. Put double slash, uncomment this one, comment this one. Print the. Now run this code. It is giving value as a 3, which is perfectly fine. Let's capture the output and comment this one. Now run this expression. It is also giving the 3. Hence we can say both the expression are equivalent. Now another one is that exponential. Exponential means C equal to C double star A is equivalent to C double star equal to A. Now copy this one, exponent. So here it will be double star is equivalent to this one, right? So let it be, only the value will become little bigger, which is fine. Double star, comment this one. Okay. Now run this code. Oh my god, big value. Fine. Just copy it here. Now comment this code, uncomment this one and star. Now run this one. It is also giving this one. So the value of both the expression are same for the exponent and assignment operator. Hence we can say that both the operators are equivalent. And this was the last operator. So in this video we understood that Python assignment operator. Thanks for watching this video.